Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to maths class. So this is the class for the continuous in the chapter 13 probability exercise 13.1 second part. Okay. So already in your previous classes already we have completed the basic problems on that conditional probability. Now we want to move in that statement problems. It's like card, dice, coins. So this pattern of problems. Okay. Yes. So first sixth question I am going to give you now. Already we have completed the first 5 questions. First 5 problems we have completed. Okay. In sixth question, in sixth one we have 3 subdivisions. So first subdivision I am giving you. The remaining 2 subdivision, try it yourself. Okay. Yes. So first I am going to read the question. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. So already I told you how to take the sample space, you know. How? See, head, tail. First time, this is second time, and this one is the third time in head. And coming to the tails, the 2 times head tail, and then again 2 times, again 2 times. Now we are going to collect and write the sample space. Now what will come, tell me? S which is equal to, how will come? H, triple H, 3 heads. Then 1 head, 2 heads, 1 tail, double H T. Then H T H. Okay. Then H T T. Then T H H. T H T. T T H. And then finally triple T. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the outcomes when the coin tossed thrice or 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, and both also you are getting the same answer. Okay, so N of S equal to how much pa? 8. Already I gave you one formula to verify the number of outcomes in the sample space. What is that formula? 2 power m. M means how many times we are going to do that event. A coin tossed 3 times na 3, 2 times na 2, like that. Okay. Yes. Now first question I am going to give you. The first question is, see that let the event E is denoted head on third toss. Head on third toss, and then F be the event which is denoted heads on first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses. Okay, va? Yes. Now listen, pa. So first I am going to take a event E which is equal to, first read this. E be the event of getting head on third toss. So what do you mean in the third toss? The third, this is a first toss, second toss, third toss. So where are the places are coming? Third one is the head. So see this one, triple H and H, T H. Then this one, T H H. Then where else? Double T H. So these are the outcomes is heads on the third toss. So this is the heads on third toss work. Okay. If N of E which is equal to how many times are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Then P of E equal to, you know that. What is that P of E? What is that formula? N of E by N of S. So 4 by 8. So the answer it will come 1 by 2. The answer it will come 1 by 2. Okay, and the next one I am going to take F be that. What is F? F be that heads on the first 2 tiles. So the first 2 tiles to head venuma. Appa what will come, tell me? So this one double H T. No, first 2 heads only, no. So this one only we are going to take double H T. Heads on the first 2 tiles. Then where it will come? So that's all, only one. Yes, check. See here, the given question is heads on the first two tiles only, no? So first two tiles mean 1, 2. So that's also we should take, no problem. Triple H. So these are the two outcomes are getting a heads on the first two tiles. Heads on the first two tiles. So we know that F is HHT, triple H. Okay, then N of F which is equal to 2, then P of S F which is equal to, you know that value, what is that formula? P of F which is equal to N of F by N of S. Okay, so for that it will come 2 by 8. If you are going to simplify to get the answer 1 by 4. Okay, yes. Now P of F we got it, and P of E on both also we got it. Now coming to that E intersection F. So already I told you what is the intersection. What do you mean in that intersection? Tell me. Intersection mean we want on both also common. ரெண்டுக்குமே காமனா இருக்குது. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. எத்தனை காமனா இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Tell me. Is only one thing is the triple H. And the triple H மட்டும் தான் காமனா இருக்கும். So triple H, which is N of E intersection F, which means what என்ன பார்த்தோம்? அதாவது E and F இந்த two events குமே how many outcomes, how many events, I mean how many of them common. Okay, அப்ப P of E intersection F equal to N of E intersection F by N of S. So it will come 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Now we are going to use the conditional probability. So already I explained you in that previous class itself. What is that conditional probability? P of E intersection F which is equal to P of E intersection F the whole divided by P of F. Okay, so P of E intersection F mean what will come? 1 by 8. And then P of E F which means 1 by 4. So I am going to take 1 by 8 into, so to take a reciprocal of the second fraction, what will come? 4 by 1 apa? So the final answer it will come 1 by 2. Final answer it will come 1 by 2. So like that only next two questions we are going to complete. Okay, so next two questions are you have a homework. So I give you just clue words. So the second subdivision E be the event of denoted by at least two head. Already I told you at least mean koranja பட்சம். அப்படினா என்ன? At least ரெண்டு ஹெட் இருக்கலாம் இல்ல மூணு ஹெட் கூட இருக்கலாம். ஆனா ரெண்டுக்கு கம்மியா வர கூடாது. I mean 1 இல்ல ஹெட் இல்லாமலோ வர கூடாது. Then F is at most two heads. At most two heads. So at most நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன் அதிகபட்சம். அதாவது at least க்கு ஆப்போசிட் தான் at most. வேற ஒண்ணும் பெருசா இல்ல. So அதே மாதிரி தான் அடுத்த ரெண்டு क्वेश्चन இருக்கு. Okay? Can you complete these two questions as a homework? Okay, so shall we move the next problem? Okay, so the next problem also the same pattern is this. Question number 7 also we have the same pattern. Okay, but one small difference. Seventh question, two coins are tossed. Okay, so two coins are tossed means what are the sample space, you know pa? What are they? Double H, the same already na sollirukken. Double H, HT, TH, then finally TT. So these are the sample space. N of F4 is equal to 4. N of S is equal to 4. Now first one is given. E be the tail appears on one coin. On one. அதாவது tail appear ஆகணும், அது ஒரே ஒரு இடத்துல மட்டும் appear ஆகணும். அப்பனா என்னப்பா வரும் சொல்லுங்க? What will come? E which is equal to HT and TH. அவ்வளவுதான். Now tell me in direct step P of E which is equal to 2 by 4. So answer it will come 1 by 2. Very simple pa. And F I am going to mention what is that? One coin shows head. Shows head. So இதுமே அதே தான் பா. ஒரு காயின் வந்து ஹெட் ஷோ பண்ணுமா? அத ரெண்டுமே ஹெட் வர கூடாது, ரெண்டுமே டெயில் வர கூடாது. So the same things only you are going to get it. What are they? HT and TH. So the same thing P of F also 2 by 4. So the final answer 1 by 2. Now what are they asking? we want to find the conditional probability, which is P of E slash F slash படிக்கலாம் இல்ல by இல்ல divide கூட படிக்கலாம். P of E by F mean and before that we should know one thing. What is that? P of first E intersection F. Okay, so E intersection F means what are they common? So here also the same. What is that? 1/2 தான். அதாவது இதெல்லாம் ஷூர் ஈவெண்ட் மாறிப்பா. ஓகே, ஸோ P of E by F which is equal to P of E intersection F the whole divided by P of F. So 1/2 whole divided by 1/2 mean it will come 1 only. What is your final answer? 1. Okay va, புரியுதா? And the next subdivision is given to you. Next முடிச்சிடலாம், அது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, see, E be the event targeting no tail appears. அதாவது டெய்ல்ஸே வரக்கூடாதாம்ப்பா. Okay, so what will come head? Tailsே வரக்கூடாதுன்னா what will come? E which is equal to double H மட்டும்தான் வரும். Now P of E which is equal to 1/4. Very simple. And F be the event which is denoted by no head appears. No heads appear. So இங்கே heads வரக்கூடாதாம்மா. அப்போ what will come da? TT தானே வரும், double T. Okay, so F be T comma T. So P of F which is equal to, you are going to get the same thing 1/4. So the event E and the F alone we are taking. Now we are going to get it that intersection on both. So E intersection F which is equal to here double H and there double T. Do you have any common? No. So 0. What is 0? So finally P of E by F which is equal to P of E intersection F divided by P of F. So 0 divided by 1/4. So 0 divided by anything, what will come pa? 0. Okay, have you got it this sum? Yes. So 7th question we are finished. So up to this 7th question we are completed that pattern of coin sums. இதோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Okay va, அடுத்து dice க்கு போலாமா? Okay, yes. So the next question, next we are going to take dice problems. Okay, dice problem. Okay, pagada sum. We have a questions example 5 and 6 and exercise problems 8, 11. That's all. Okay, so first I'm going to give you the die rolled twice. Okay, so the example 6. What is that? Example 6. So example 6, I am reading the question, listen carefully all of you. A die is thrown twice and the sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. What is the conditional probability that the number 4 appears at least once? 4 appears at least once. Okay, so first we should know what are the outcomes. Okay, so already you are used in your 10th syllabus itself. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. Like that we want to complete all the up to 6. So 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, and then finally the 6th one is 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So these are the outcomes are getting when a die is rolled twice. When a die is rolled twice. Okay, now how many outcomes are coming? You know, n of s which is equal to 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Now what is the given question asking me? See, a die is thrown twice. The sum of the numbers appearing is observed to be 6. Okay, now what is the conditional probability that the number 4 has appeared at least once? So first I am going to take the event E. Take the event E. E be the event of getting that number 4 appears at least once. Would you mean at least once? அதாவது ஒரு டைமாவது நம்பர் 4 கிடச்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ நான் முன்னாடியே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், அட்லீஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் குறைஞ்சபட்சம். ஓகே, அப்போ 2 டைம் கூட வரலாம், அதனால ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? அப்போ how many times are coming? Tell me. E which is equal to 1,4. See, so this one row and that one row also we are going to take. Okay, and both rows also one outcome is a common. One outcome is a common. Which is that? 4,4. So except the 4,4, 1,4, 2,4, 3,4, 4,4, 5,4, 6,4. Then 4,1, 4,2, 4,3, 4,4, 4,5, and then 4,4 already you mentioned, no? So leave it that. 4,6. Okay. So count how many of them except one means n of E which is equal to 11. So P of E which is equal to 11 by 36 because you have a n of S equal to 36. Okay. And the next one, E be the event I am going to take. See. E finished. F. F be the event of getting the sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers appearing is 6. Yes, 6. அதாவது இதுக்கு என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Sum of the number appearing 6னா இப்போ 1,1 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4. So like that up to 6,6 means 6 plus 6 12. அது மாதிரி ஃபுல்லா 36 events இருக்கு. Now we want to collect what are they outcomes. It will come the sum of the numbers appearing 6. அப்போ first row ல நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் சொல்லுங்க? F which is equal to the first one is 1,5 and the second row what will come? 2,4 and then third row is 3,3, fourth row is 4,2, then fifth row 5,1. So that's up. In sixth row we don't have anything. அதில் எதுவுமே இல்லை. ஓகே, ஏன்னா அதில் ஸ்டார்டிங்கே 6,1 மீன் வாட் வில் கம் 7 தானே ஸ்டார்டிங்கே, அதனால் அதை எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. Now F is equal to 1,5, 2,4, 3,3, 4,2 and 5,1. So n of F is equal to 5. N of F equal to 5. And the next what I am going to P of F apa? So P of F equal to 5 by 36. After getting P of F, I am going to take E intersection F. Okay, so check pa. E லையும் F லையும் காமனா என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. அதாவது மினிமம் வச்சு செக் பண்ணுங்க. 1,5 is there in EF. இங்க 1,5 இருக்கா? இல்ல. 2,4 is available. Yes, 2,4 is there. Then 3,3 irukapa? Here? No, nothing. Then 4,2? 4,2 is there? Yes, 4,2. Then 5,1 also is not there. So, how many of them intersection? 2,4 and 4,2. So, therefore, P of E intersection F. இங்க வந்து வேணா எழுதிக்கோங்க. N of E intersection F. The number of outcome is 2. So, here 2 by 36. So, P of F, P of E and P of E intersection F. On 3 also we have got it. Now we are going to use the conditional probability. Okay, what is that conditional probability? You know students, what is that? P of E by F. So the conditional probability is that is P of E by F which is equal to P of E by F, E intersection F by P of F. So P of E intersection F is 2 by 36 whole divided by P of F is 5 by 36. So 36 will be cancelled. So 2 by 5 is your final answer. 2 by 5 is your final answer. So this is a very easiest problem. And next I am going to give you that thrice, the 3 times pandrathu. That is different, okay. For that question, students, the next question number 8. It is some different. Why? Because of in the previous question a dice rolled twice only. So 1, 1, 2, 2 பண்ணிட்டோம். இங்க ஆனா மொத்தம் இங்கே dice வந்து 2 times தான் roll அத எப்படி சொல்ல? See 3 times thrown பண்றோம். ஆனா அதுல ஒரு சின்ன கண்டிஷன் இருக்கு என்னன்னா கவனிங்க. So this pattern you have 8th question number 8 and question number example 5. So these 2 questions you have the same pattern. Okay, and the example 5 is entirely different. Why? Because of it the 216 times orupa n of s. So I tell you later that question. First listen this 8th question. A die is thrown 3 times. So the outcomes are coming 1, 1, like that. Okay, and one condition is given. 4 appears on the third toss and F be that event 6 and 5 appears respectively that first 2 tosses. Okay, so first I am going to take E. இதை எழுதுனாவே கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆகும். Yes, in examination also we should mention all things. 6 6 are 36 வரும், but இதை போட்டு தான் ஆகணும். See, now E be the event of getting what? 4 appears on the third. 4 appears on third toss. Okay, now this fully we have got it, that is n of E equal to 36 and then P of E which is equal to n of E by n of S, that is 36 divided by 36 which is equal to 1. 36 divided by 36 which is equal to here the total number of sample space I am going to give you. See 3 times அப்ப இங்கே நம்ம எழுதிக்கணும். एक्चुअली n of s equal to 216 வரும். எப்படி சார் 216 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா very simple. அதாவது 1 times we are going to toss, so the 3 times only, no, in the 3 times also we are going to get it. First time is 6 comma I mean 6 times coming, no, so 1, 1 like that, and second time 6, third time 6, that is 2 power 3 ன்னு போடும்லப்பா. எங்க காயின்ஸ்ல போட்டோம்ல அங்க வந்து ரெண்டு அவுட்கம்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஹெட் டைல். அதனால 2 power 3 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 அப்படி பண்ணிட்டோம். And now here we have as outcomes are 6 outcomes, no, sample space 1 2 3 4 5 6. So இங்க 6 power 3 ன்னு போட்டா 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are what will come 216. What is your answer? 216. So for that only we are going to take a total number of outcomes n of s which is equal to 216. Okay, so E be the event of getting appear is 4 on the third dice, no, so 4 on the third dice we are going to get it the 36 times and the total number of outcomes 216. So I am going to get it 1 by 36 is the answer for P of E. Actually இது நமக்கு தேவையே இல்லை, இருந்தாலும் okay I am giving. And F be the event of getting what? F be the event of getting 6 and 5 appears respectively on first 2 dice. Respectively on first what? 2 tosses. I mean 2 times or 2 tosses, no problem. So இங்க first 2 tossesல மட்டும் 6 உம் 5 வரணுமா? ஓகே, அப்ப 6 and 5 வேணும் அப்படினா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லுங்க? 6,1 see 6, அதாவது 6, அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதுல வந்து 6 உம் 5 வரமானா நம்ம எதை எடுக்கலாம் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். அந்த இதெல்லாம் 6,5 6,5,1 6,5,2. so இந்த பேட்டர்ன்ல தான் இங்க வரும் நமக்கு. so shall we write that event of F? So F னா என்னன்னு வரும் சொல்லுங்க? F equal to that 6 5 first வரணும்னா 6,5,1 6,5,2 6,5,3 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 5, and then finally 6, 5, 6. ஸோ இது மட்டும் தான் வரும். ஆக்சுவலாக இதில் வந்து இந்த இதில் ஈல இருக்காது. ஓகே, ஏன்னா NRDSங்கும் போது இது ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 அப் டு 6, 6, 6 வரைக்கும் வரும். இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் 5ல் பாருங்கள், அதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஆக்சுவலாக அதில் 216 அவுட்கம்ஸ் இருக்கும். சரியா? ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் a F. So n of f which is equal to 6. So P of f which is equal to 6 by 216. 6 by 216. If you are going to simplify this, what will come? Tell me. 1 time 36 times. Okay. So here 1 by 6 only coming. So inge vandu 1 by 36 varum. Okay va? Ipa intersection we are going to take. First E intersection F பண்ணலாம். Okay. இப்போ E intersection F mean what will come down? E க்கும் F க்கும் காமனா. அதாவது இது F தான் கொஞ்சம் considered by the less number of outcomes. So shall we consider that 6, 5, 1 இருக்கா? No. Then 6, 5, 2. So check from the 6 observation we are going to take. Which one is satisfied for that? Okay. So tell me which one is the correct? Is satisfied for that? 6, 1, 5, 1 not. 6, 5, 2 no. 6, 5, 3 no. 6, 5, 4 is there. Yes. So this is the outcome for common on both E and F. E and F. So what is that? 6, 5, 4. Okay va? Now P of E intersection F which is equal to 1 by 216. சரியாப்பா? Now the conditional property we are going to give P of E by F which is equal to P of E intersection F the whole divided by P of F. So P of E intersection F now we know that is 1 by 216. The whole divided by P of F na நமக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும் 1 by 36. இப்போ 1 by 216 into 36 by 1. 36 by 1. If you are going to simplify this to get 136 or 36, 636 or 216. So your final answer is 1 by 6. Okay, have you got it, children? I hope you don't have any doubt in this. Okay, so like that this sum also like this sum we have an example sum, the question number 5. So example 5 also the same pattern, so try it yourself. Okay, shall we move the next sum problem? Next problem. Okay, yes students, based on the die sum we have 2 more problems in exercise. Okay, yes. So the next question, 11th question I'm going to give you. 11th dana? Yes, 11th. Okay, yes. 11th one, if a die is rolled, so consider the event E which is equal to 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, and then F which is equal to 2, 3. Then G which is equal to one more event we have G equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are asking the question, find P of E by F and P of F by E. It is very simple, you have to complete. Okay, yes. So first 2 problems also try it yourself. Okay, or else I give you one more, the second and third I will teach you. So the first one is your homework. Okay, so second one I am going to give you, that is what is your second one? P of E by F, sorry, E by G and P of G by E. G by E. So for that, so first P of E by G mean we want to consider the events E and G. E and G. So E and G means, so first we should take that E, set E. அதுக்கப்புறம் F G. Okay. So இங்க E அப்படிங்கிறது first என்ன? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. F is 2, 3 and G is 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more thing we should take, that is the sample space S which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the dice single times. So N of S which is equal to 6. So like that, and after we have to continue. Okay va? If first E first P of E paklama. So P of E means we have 3 by 6. Very simple. And P of G, how many elements are there in G? So there are 4 elements. Okay. So 4 by 6. 4 by 6. Now we need to consider E and G. E and G. So E is 1, 3, 5 and G means 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many of the elements are common? 3 and 5. So P of E intersection G which is equal to 2 by 6. If you want to simplify, write a simplification, otherwise leave it. Okay. Now P of E by G which is equal to P of E intersection G whole divided by P of G. So P of E intersection G is 2 by 6 whole divided by P of G is 4 by 6. So simply I am cancel the terms of 6 and 6. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So your answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Shriya. And next second I edukka poren. Enadhu? Second one enadhu? See that P of E G by E. P of E G I mean enadhu? G by E. So idukume kuda paatha see G adu appadi opposite ah maatrom. Okay, appo enna formula solunga paakalam? P of G by E which is equal to, it is very simple, P of E intersection G or G intersection E, on both also same pa. So by P of E. Okay va? Now P of E intersection G is 2 by 6 and P of E is what? 3 by 6. So 6 will be cancelled. So your answer is 2 by 3. Okay va? In an intersection every patham common, so no problem in this. And the third question I am going to give you. What is that third question? So the third one is complete. Okay, so P of E union F by G. Okay, the second property, basic path. Okay, so already we have studied about that properties of conditional property, no? Adu marida. It's romba simple. Okay, so first we should take P of E union F. So E and F. So what is E? 1 3 5 inge 2 3. Ipo join panna enna pannuvom? 1 2 3 5. So already you prepared in the set theory in 11th standard, no? Union na enna join pannum. Idhula vandu repeated of elements we are not allowed. 2 rendu time vanchina one time da mention pannum. Like that inga 1 3 5 anga 2 3. So 3 coming 2 times appa we will take only one time. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So 4 by 6 is the value of P of E union F. E union F. Okay, and P of G already we know what is that? 4 by 6. So P of G also 4 by 6 and we are going to take a P of E union F intersection G. P of E union F intersection G. Idhula ungalku confuse aachuna see E union F அப்படிங்கும்போது E F join பண்ணா 1 2 3 1 2 3 5. So இதெல்லாம் and G ன்னு எடுத்தீங்கன்னா what are they? 2 3 4 5. இப்படி தனியா கூட எழுதிக்கோங்க. So no problem. Now look at this two. What are they common you have? இது ரெண்டுக்கு காமனா என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க? 2 இருக்கு 3 இருக்கு 5 இருக்கு. So the three elements are there in common. அப்ப 3 by 6. அப்ப என்னது 3 by 6. Now so the final answer P of E union F by G which is equal to P of E union F intersection G. E union F intersection G whole divided by P of G. So which is equal to the intersection elements are 3 by 6 whole divided by P of G is 4 by 6. Appa the final answer it will come 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Have you got it, children? So like this sum you have to try the remaining problems by yourself. Okay, shall we move the next problem? Okay, so the next question is, and one more thing I want to tell you. So 11th question, this is the dice pattern, and 14th question also you have the same pattern. Question number 14, that is also you have a homework. Adi enna sir? See, very simple. First I am reading the question. Given that the two numbers appearing on the throwing two die are different, if I find the probability of the even, the sum of the numbers on the die is 4. On the die is 4. இப்போ ஈங்கிறது நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்குவோம்? நாமளா சொல்லுங்க. அதாவது 3 டிஃபரெண்டா வரும்போது 1,3, 2,2 and 3,1 இவ்வளவு தான் வரும். இதுல வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. ஓகே. And fங்கும்போது we have many things. எவ்வளோ வரும் தெரியுமா? எக்ஸப்ட் அந்த 6. அந்த 6னா எந்த 6? அதாவது சேம் திங்ஸ் வருது பார்த்தீங்களா? அந்த 1 வச்சு அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோ மட்டும் விட்டுருவோம். அதாவது 1,1, 1,2 அதை மட்டும் விட்டுருவோம். ஸோ டேக் n of f equal to 30 எடுத்துலாமா? அதுக்கப்புறம் இது ரெண்டுக்கும் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் எடுத்து அழகாக போட்டுடலாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ட்ரை இட் இன் யோர் homework. So the last pattern question I am going to give you now. The question number is, so the next problem is the very easiest problem. ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் நாமளாக நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறது யூஸ்வலாக பார்க்குறது. See, 9th question I am going to give you. It is a very very easiest problem. So I am reading the question, listen carefully. Mother, father and son line up at the random for the family picture. Family picture எடுக்கிறதுக்கு 3 பேரை நிற்க வைக்கிறாங்க. ஃபாதரு, மதரு, சன்னு. ஓகே, சரி. இப்போ என்ன கொஸ்டின் நம்ம பண்ண போகிறோம்னா, see, E be the event of getting son on end and F be the event of getting father in middle. எப்படி வேணால் நிற்க வைக்கலாம், அம்மா அப்பா பையன். ஸோ எப்படி வேணால் நிற்க வைக்கலாம். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த பாசிபிள் வேஸ் ஆர் ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஆன் 3 members? எப்படியெல்லாம் அவங்க நிற்க வைக்கலாம்? ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து மதரு, ஃபாதரு, ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் கொடுத்துடலாம் பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் அ கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர். மதர், ஃபாதர், சன்னு, அம்மா அப்பா பையன். தென் மதர், சன்னு, ஃபாதர். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியே ஃபாதர், மதர், சன்னு. ஓகே, அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் தான். அதாவது மதர், ஃபாதர், சன்னு. ஸோ 1 2 3. ஓகே, 1 3 1 சாரி 1 3 சாரி 1 3 2. அது மாதிரி ஒன்று ஒன்றா நம்ம பண்ணுறது தான். இப்போ மதர், ஃபாதர், சன்னா, ஃபாதர், மதர், சன்னா, அப்புறம் ஃபாதர் ஃபஸ்ட்டு, சன் அப்புறம் மதர், FSM. ஓகே, அண்டு சன்னு, மதரு, ஃபாதர், அண்ட் தென் ஃபைனலி 1 2 3 4 5. இன்னும் ஒரு டைம் மட்டும் நிற்க வைக்கலாம். எப்படின்னா சன்னு, ஃபாதர், மதர். ஸோ இந்த பாசிபிள் வேல அவங்கள நிற்க வைக்கலாம். ஓகே, இது எப்படி சார் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்? ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, நீங்கள் நார்மலாக யூஸ் பண்ணுற வேர்ட்ஸ் தான். சி, 3 பேர் நிற்க வைக்கிறோம், மதர், ஃபாதர், சன்னு. எப்படி வேணால் மாற்றி நிற்க வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆனால் வந்துட்டு 3 பேர் கண்டிப்பாக அந்த ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபில் இருக்கணும். ஸோ லைக் தட். ஓகே, எஸ். Now n of s which is equal to you have a 6. N of s which is equal to you have 6 and E be the event of getting some sun on one end. Sun on one end. அதாவது ஒரு சைடாக சன் நிற்க வைக்கிறோம். Sun on one end. ஓகே, இப்போ sun on one end அப்படிங்கும்போது சி, ஒரு சைடு மட்டும் சன் 1. அதை எப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம்? 1 2 டைம். அதாவது 2 ways we are having to take the sun in one end. ஓகேவா? சரி, அப்போ n of e இல்லை ஒரு எண்ட் அப்படிங்கும்போது we have a sun. அதாவது 2 சைடு எண்டில், அதாவது the third personாகவும் இருக்கலாம் அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சனாகவும் இருக்கலாம். இப்போ தேர்ட் பர்சன்னா மதர், ஃபாதர், சன்னு, அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஃபாதர், மதர், சன்னு. இல்லை ஃபஸ்ட்டு பர்சனாக நிறுத்தி வச்சோம்னா சன், மதர், ஃபாதர், சன், ஃபாதர், மதர். அப்போ வி ஹாவ் அ E which is equal to, what are they, tell me? Mother, father, son. Okay, father, mother, son, then son, mother, father, son, father, mother. So that's all. இப்போ P of E is equal to எவ்வளோப்பா? 4/6. 4/6. And F be the event of getting father in middle. Father in middle. அதாவது அப்பா வந்து சென்டரில் தான் இருக்கணும். Now tell me, what are the possible outcomes? This one and this one. So two ways are having to take a father in middle. அப்ப f equal to என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க? Mother, father, son, then son, father, mother. That's all pa. So P of f which is equal to, you have a 2 by 6. Okay, so E and F events alone we are taking. Now to take a intersection on both. Appa E intersection F which is equal to, so check it this. What you have a common? M mother, father, son irukka, and son, father, mother rendume irukku. Appa rendume dhaan. See, mother, father, son, son, father, mother, on both also having. So P of E intersection F which is equal to 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 only. Okay, ma'am? Yes. Now what we are going to take, tell me? 1 by 2 sorry, that is 2 by 6. Okay, that 1 by 3 எழுதிக்கலாம். Simply பண்ணாமே வச்சுக்கலாம். Okay, ma'am? Yes. For 2 by 6. If very simple, we want to use the conditional probability. So the conditional probability is, what is that, ma? P of E by F which is equal to P of E intersection F whole divided by P of F. P of E intersection F means என்னது? 2 by 6 whole divided by P of E intersection F. அது என்னது? அதுமே என்னது? Same 2 by 6 தான். இதுவும் 2 by 6, அதுவும் same 2 by 6. So on both also cancel mean. So the answer is 1. Okay, va? Do you have any doubt in this? Okay. So இதே pattern you have one more sum pa. Okay, அதாவது take that question number 12. Okay, I explain the question, try it yourself. Assume the each born child is equally likely to be boy or a girl if a family has a 2 children. ஒரு family 2 children இருக்காங்க, boy and girl. Okay, சரி. What is the probability, I mean conditional probability, that the both girls are both are girls, both are girls, and one more condition what is given, இப்போ ரெண்டுமே girl ஆ இருக்கணும் and at least one girl, at least one girl. இப்போ ரொம்ப simple. See, இப்போ இங்கே எப்படி திரும்ப எடுக்கலாம்? சேம் சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2 சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் ஆரா. ஸோ ரெண்டுமே பாயாக இருக்கலாம், ஒரு பாய் ஒரு கேர்ளாக இருக்கலாம், அண்ட் ஒரு கேர்ள் ஒரு பாய், அண்ட் ரெண்டுமே கேர்ள். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த n of s equal to 4. n of s equal to 4. ஓகே, இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஈங்கிற ஈவெண்ட் we are going to take the youngest is a girl children. First என்ன அதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கப்பா? எஸ், ஓகே, youngest is a girl children. So youngest is the girl children அப்படிங்கும்போது what will come? So first see, and both children also girls, அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ both children are girlsனா GG, அது 1 தான், 1 by 4. ஓகேவா? அதுக்கப்புறம் youngest is a girl அப்படிங்கும்போது boy girl and girl அது மாதிரி வந்துடும். இப்போ இதை வச்சு கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. அண்ட் செகண்ட் கண்டிஷன் இஸ் கிவன். என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 இஸ் த கேர்ள், அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு கேர்ள் குழந்தையாவது இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. இப்போ இங்க தான் அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 கேர்ளுங்கும் போது சி அட்லீஸ்ட்னாவே நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் குறைஞ்சபட்சம். ஸோ ஜிபி, பிஜி அண்ட் ஜிஜி ஆல்சோ கம்மிங். ஸோ 3 by 4. அட்லீஸ்ட் நோ வாட் வில் கம் 3 by 4. அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறம் கம்பேர் பண்ணி போட்டா ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இட் வில் கம் வெரி ஈஸி மேனர். ஓகே, ஸோ ட்ரை இட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் தட் சம். ஓகே, ஷால் வி மூவ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்? Now the next problem is question number 13. So it's also very simple, da. Okay, yes boy. Now listen pa. So the question number 13, a instructor has a question bank consists of 300 easy true or false question, 200 difficult true or false question. Okay, then 500 easy multiple choice question and 400 difficult multiple choice questions there. So if the question is selected at random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be a easy question given that in a multiple choice question? Okay, so first S எழுதுறோம், இல்லை n of s கூட டேரக்டாக எழுதிக்கலாம். n of s means, see, we have a 2 variety of questions. Okay, first one is a true or false question and second one is a multiple choice question. So அதுலேயே கூட true or false question, easy question, some question and tough question we have something. Okay, so first easy true or false, okay, plus and the next what part 200 and difficult true or false question plus then 500 easy multiple choice question choose and the next 400 difficult multiple choice question. So like that we have, so n of s which is equal to 300 plus 200 500, 500 plus 500 1000, so 1400 you have, 1400 you have. Okay, so first the two events I am going to take. Okay, so the first event, let E be the event of selected a question is the easy question. E be the event of getting a question is a easy question. Easy mean on both also pa. Both mean what? True or false varum adula what will come? Multiple choice varum. Okay. Appa easy question, easy true or false, that is n of e which is equal to easy true or false 300 and easy multiple choice question 500, so it will come 800. Okay papa. Now p of e which is equal to easy questions is n of e by n of s. So easy question is 800 divided by 1400. The total number of question is 1400. Okay, and f be the even, we are going to select what type of question? F be the even that select the question is a multiple choice question. Getting a question is a multiple choice question. So multiple choice question in multiple choice question also we have two types, easy one, difficult one. So n of f which is equal to easy multiple choice question is a 500 and difficult multiple choice question is a 400. So n of f equal to 900. Okay, now p of f which is equal to n of f by n of s. So 900 divided by 1400. Either simply no problem. Okay, now the final question what they asking pa? What is the probability that it will be a easy question and that is a multiple choice question. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுக்குமே intersection first பார்க்கணும். Okay, so tell me this and that only is the intersection. So n of e intersection f is a 500. So p of e intersection f is 500 divided by 1400. So use conditional probability p of e by f which is equal to p of e intersection f whole divided by p of f. So p of e intersection f எவ்வளவு பா 500 by 1400 whole divided by p of f is 900 divided by 1400. So here on both 1400 cancel, the two zeros are cancelled, so the final answer is 5 by 9. What's the final answer? 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 is the probability that it will be a easy question and given that is a multiple choice question. Do you have any doubt pa? It's very simple question. Try it yourself. Okay, so up to this all the problems are over. Okay, and the last pattern question, one pattern we have, I am going to give you now. Okay, yes. Hey student, this is the last question for you in exercise 13.1, the question number 15. So listen carefully, this is entirely different problem for you. Consider 15th question, no? Yes. So consider the experiment of throwing a die if a multiples of 3 comes up. So multiples of 3 comes up. Appa enna oru solunga paakalam. What will come? 3,1, 3,2, 3,3, 3,4, 3,5, 3,6, then 6,1, 6,2, 6,3, 6,4, 6,5, 6,6. இவ்வளவுதான் multiple of 3. ஏன்னா 1,1 ல இருந்து 6,6 வரைக்கும் we have 36 outcomes. So from the 36 outcomes we have only 12 outcomes we want to take now. And wait, throw off and die again. If any other number comes, toss a coin. Okay, toss a coin. See, இங்க 3 யும் 5 யும் வந்துருச்சு. Sorry, 3 and 6 வந்திருக்கு. Now what are the remaining? 1 2 4 5. 1 2 4 5. Okay va? Yes. இப்போ அத நம்ம எடுத்தோம்னா first the 1 அப்படினா we want to take 1 comma h, 1 comma tile. Okay, and second இருக்கு என்னது 2 comma h, 2 comma tile. Then third we are taking now only, and fourth 4 comma h, 4 comma t. Then 5 we want to take 5 comma h, 5 comma t. So 6 already we are taking. Okay va, புரியுதாப்பா? 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 up to 6 comma 6 we have outcomes. இந்த outcomesல multiples of 3 மட்டும் நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம் on the first die. அப்ப 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 6 and 6 comma 1 2 6 comma 6 இதெல்லாம் வந்துருச்சு. And then next the remaining, what are the remaining? 1 2 4 5. so இந்த 4 க்குமே coins வச்சு நம்ம கம்பைன் பண்றோம். so 1 comma t 1 comma h, 2 comma h 2 comma t, அது மாதிரி 4 comma அப்படியே வந்துரும். okay, so up to this only we are going to calculate. Now n of s which is equal to, tell me, 6 plus 6 12 la, 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. What is your total sample space pa? 20. Now E be the event of getting, coins shows at the tile, coins shows a tile. அதான் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்றாங்க. இப்போ coins shows a tile அப்படினா நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? tile கண்டிப்பா வந்திருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? அப்ப என்ன வரும்? 1 2 4 5, அதாவது 3 மட்டும் வரக்கூடாது. ஓகே, என்ன 3 then 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 like that we have no. so E which is equal to what will come? 1 comma t 2 comma t 3 we don't have, அப்ப 4 comma t then 5 comma t 6 it will not come. Why? because of already we are taking. okay, so n of E equal to 4, then P of E which is equal to 4 by 20. புரியுதாடா? okay, then F we want to take. okay, so F we want to take means what is your F? tell me. F be that second one. First find the conditional probability that the even coin in the shows a tile. இந்த coinsல வந்து tiles மட்டும் shows பண்றது பண்ணிட்டோம். and second one, at least one die shows 3. at least one die shows 3. அப்ப இங்க 3 கண்டிப்பா வந்திருக்கும், ஒரு டைமா வந்திருக்கும். now tell me what are they coming? okay, so first F. so first I am going to take F. what is F here? F is a here F is at least, what is the question? at least one die shows up, at least one die shows up 3. இப்போ 3 வந்து ஒரு டைமா வரணும் like that. okay, so F which is equal to how will come pa? 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 3 comma 6. so இதோட முடிஞ்சிருமா? okay, 3 comma 6. and one more thing we want to take. ரெண்டுமே இத கூட at least என்ன அர்த்தம்? குறைஞ்சபட்சம். இப்போ குறைஞ்சபட்சம் ஒரு டைமா 3 வந்துருச்சு. and the maximum time we are going to take, no, அப்ப அதிகபட்சம் then what will come? 6 comma 3 also we are going to take, and both also we are taking. okay, now n of F which is equal to 7, P of F which is equal to 7 by 20. 7 by 20. now I am going to take a intersection on both. இப்போ E intersection F. now tell me pa, what is E intersection F? E is 1 comma t 2 comma t 4 comma t 5 comma t, yeah, and F is 3 comma 1. so nothing, you don't have any common element. இங்க எதுமே common இல்ல. so and one more thing already I told you, when the two even does not have any common, which is called a mutually exclusive. okay, now n of E intersection F is 0. so P of E intersection F also 0 by 20, 0 only pa. so the finally the conditional probability is P of E by F which is equal to P of E intersection F divided by P of F. okay, now intersection we don't have anything, no, so put it 0. 0 divided by P of F. What is P of F? 7 by 20 pa. So anything divided by 0? 0. That's all pa. So this is your final answer. So this pattern sum, we have one more question example. Example 7. Example 7. Yes students, up to this question we have completed the exercise 13.1. Okay, so complete the class work note, and in the next class we will move in the next exercise 13.2. Thank you students.